When a tragic flood claimed the lives of a family at a Texas campground, it wasn't just a personal tragedy, it was a preventable disaster that could have been avoided with proper emergency planning. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how campground owners can create a rock-solid emergency management plan that protects their guests and shields your business from potential lawsuits. Let's start with the critical components that every campground needs. First, early warning systems. Install multiple communication channels like weather radio, emergency alert systems, smartphone notification platforms, clear, visible warning sirens. Comprehensive communication protocols like multilingual emergency instructions. Clear evacuation route maps at every site, emergency contact information prominently displayed, and staff training on emergency communication procedures. Let's look at detailed evacuation procedures. Make sure you have predetermined evacuation routes with designated assembly points. And what kind of transportation plan do you have for guests with mobility challenges? Emergency vehicle access routes need to be clearly marked and tested with regular evacuation drills for the staff. Now, medical and rescue preparedness, like things like on-site first aid stations, emergency medical kits. Is your staff trained in CPR or first aid certification? Direct communication with local emergency services and clear medical emergency response guidelines. Let's look at documentation and liability protection as well. Things like comprehensive incident reporting systems, a guest safety acknowledgement form, regular safety equipment inspections, documented emergency response training, and clear written emergency management protocols. The Texas resort case proves that inadequate emergency planning can result in devastating consequences, both human and financial. By implementing these strategies, you're not just protecting lives, you're protecting your business as well. If you'd like to dive deeper into emergency management strategies, please let us know. Subscribe to our channel for our weekly safety and risk management insights, as well as other financial insights for outdoor recreation professionals. Stay prepared and stay safe.